Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix flickering on your ARLO Pro 4. To fix flickering, simply go to the settings in top right corner of the camera. Now go to video settings and you'll find flicker adjustment, and you can set it to 50 or 60 Hz depending on your local AC power frequency, because power in different regions may be either 50 or 60 Hz, and based on that the light, different lights like from light bulbs and stuff like that will work at those frequencies. And when a light works at 60 Hz and your camera is adjusted to 50 Hz, there will be flickering visible. But if you set it on flicker adjustment, if you set it to the same amount of hertz as you have on your light, as your AC in your country has, then the flickering should disappear. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.